Throughout my fitness journey up until this very day, I often get asked what foods do I eat in order for me to lose my belly fat.
Exchange for gains.
Now, you can search across the entire internet and there's various opinions when it comes to spot targeting body fat. Well, unfortunately, I'm going to end the myth right there. You cannot spot target belly fat alone. When it comes to losing body fat, your body's like a mechanism where if you're going to lose fat, you're going to lose fat across all areas. Whether it's your bum, your legs or your arms, you will lose fat across the entire body. Some areas you'll tend to lose more fat more quicker than others. For the majority of us, belly fat tends to be the hardest area to lose fat. The key thing, the number one ruling when it comes to losing fat is that you need to be in a caloric deficit. Yes, it's great to eat healthy foods and be active in the gym. However, if you're not in a caloric deficit, you can wave goodbye to seeing any kind of results. So being in a caloric deficit is key. Now, if you add these next 3 things along with being in a caloric deficit, you'll be on your way to reducing that belly fat. First things first, the number one macronutrient that should always take priority is protein. Protein will have elements of fat in it. However, these types of food will enable you in terms of assisting you not only to eat healthy, but also to fuel your body in a sufficient way. Whether it's eggs, chicken breast, fish, beef mince, steak or low-fat cottage cheese, these types of food are key when it comes to building muscle and also helping you feel fuller for longer periods throughout the day. Vegetables are so key when it comes to losing any form of body fat in terms of carb sources. I'm referring to the likes of broccoli, kale, spinach, beans. All these types of foods are not only healthy, low calories, but they're also less starchy carb. They might not be deemed the most glamorous when looking on your plate. However, I highly recommend if you're looking to get results, you incorporate these types of foods within your diet. And last but not least, water. How often do you find yourself bloated or your stomach is looking like a basketball? A lot of the time, it's your body holding on to water, essentially water weight. One of the key tips when it comes to reducing or getting rid of water weight is essentially to drink more water. Yes, it will result in you going to the bathroom several times throughout the day. That's standard. However, by drinking a litre of water per day, it's 0 calories, it will help you feel fuller throughout the day, and it will also prevent you from binging on the likes of fizzy drinks or alcohol. All 3 are extremely important when it comes to losing body fat and feeling good. They will also ease the cravings when being in a caloric deficit. Okay, my good people, if you're feeling this content, please make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out my page. We've got 4 days of eating, how to build muscle, and further information on how to reduce body fat. But until next time, make sure you add me on the socials, on the Instagrams. The name is The Ron Official. On the TikToks, it's the exact same thing. Stay blessed, stay motivated, get them gains.
Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.